I want to show you how to break a fast. So to break a fast, it's depending on how long the fast goes, you always want to break it with fruit juice and a little water. Do not over drink water when you're breaking a dry fast, okay? A lot of people think that the body is dehydrated, so you drink a lot of water. Water is highly acidic. It's acidic. It literally, if your body is not alkaline and if it's not functioning properly, to drink a lot of water is a mistake because it can lead to edema. You just want a little water, so you feel a bit, you quench the thirst. That's it. Fruit juice is even better. I usually have about, 100 grams or 100 ml of fruit juice. Sometimes 250 ml is fine, but I don't overdo it. And then an hour later, have a little more. Then an hour, 2 hours later, have a little more. I usually have a few hours later, like say 6, 8 hours later, I'll have fruits, raw fruits. And then if I want to go back to the fast, then I can repeat the fast again. But it's essential that you never overdrink, and it's essential that you break the fast gradually. Never, never, never eat cooked foods, meat products, milk after a dry fast. Extremely dangerous. A dry fast, I refer to, is usually 24 hours to 36 hours. To be highly effective, a dry fast needs to be 36 hours to 72 hours. Okay, 72 hours is the magic number. It's been shown that at that 3-day mark, the body heals itself remarkably. Okay, and then you can always break the fast and then refeed by having raw fruits and get them back on again. So a dry fast, just for those who don't know, it means no food, no water. Literally no food, no water. Try a dry fast if you are just starting. Always transition first. You want to have fruits for at least 2 weeks. Fruits and salads for 2 weeks. Then you go on a dry fast. Do not go from a standard American diet to a dry fast. It can be extremely dangerous. Always transition into fruits and then go into a dry fast. And always refeed. Never do more than 5 days dry fasting. It's dangerous and you need supervision. 72 hours tends to be the maximum, and even so, only do it if you're able and if you feel you can do it. It's entirely up to you. So I hope this helps you. The key lesson is here: if you're trying to break a fast, always have a little fruit juice, grape juice, apple juice, a little of it, about 100 ml to 250 ml, and then a few hours later have more juice, and then fruits, and then you can get back on this fast again. So I hope this helped you. I hope you implement it, and let me know the results.